on language arts, and what we are going to do is review the farm animals. Do you remember about the farm animals? Let's review about them.
The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Let's try it a little faster. The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. Okay, a little faster. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. Okay, super fast. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Okay, you guys, I hope you liked the video. I'm really gonna miss you so bad. I love being your teacher. I really love being your teacher, you guys, this year. So I hope you miss me too. And that's it, you guys. See you the next week. Goodbye.